Just give her. Woo! Welcome back to Just Give Her Garage. Today we're going to be checking out this 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. It's been straight piped. She sounds pretty wicked. Let's check it out. Here's a look at the factory exhaust that came out of it. It's quite big. Chokes out a lot of power. So here's a look at where the old muffler used to sit. And there's the section of pipe that we put in to straight pipe it. It's very simple. It's a small piece of pipe. Yeah. Here's a look at the two factory resonators that we left in there. Kind of cuts the drone out when you leave them in, but you can take them out and just makes it way louder. But I kind of like the sound with them in. Let's fire it up. Well, let's see how it sounds on the inside. It's actually pretty quiet. It's not too bad. Let's get into doing some drive-bys. See how that sounds. Well, that's a straight pipe Dodge Ram for you. Well, like and subscribe and just give her. Woo!